August is National Wellness Month. There is a lot of focus on your physical, your mental, and your emotional health. And lifestyle advisor Don McCarthy is here with products that promote self-care. And we all could use a little of that these days.
Yeah, so first we're going to start off with Bluelene. I am so excited for this product. This is Fit+Firm, and this was actually created by a human anti-aging scientist, Dr. Cow, and it's the only brand out there with patented Methylene Blue. So she developed this Fit+Firm to basically reduce and make those visible
I think I might as well put it on both hands.
A lot of people right
good.
now, due to all the GLPs and stuff like that, are having that face where they're getting that sunken in look. They're calling it Ozempic face, that skin deflation. So basically this is it's got a powerful blend of methylene blue, which doubles your collagen, your elastin. It's got vitamin C, ceramides in it. And it's going to restore that fitness, that volume, that hydration, that compromised stress skin that we have. It's on sale right now. Again, I love this. I was waiting for this for a while, that it's been in stuff. And even if you're just losing weight or rapid weight loss, you want something to give you that hydration. As we age, we lose enough already. I mean, we're excited to lose weight, and now we have to worry about our skin deflating more.
Well, I was just hoping that it would help if I was just aging. Maybe not losing weight,
but you see how much
aging.
the hydration on your hands, it's a really
It really does feel great. Thanks so much. And you can find more information about all the items that you've just seen and, of course, about Don McCarthy by just going to kcalnews.com.